Our topic in Math 10 for week 6, dividing polynomials by using synthetic division. There is a short procedure when a polynomial is to be divided by a binomial of the form of x negative r. This method is called synthetic division. So the procedure, step number 1, arrange the coefficient of p of x in descending powers of x, placing for the missing terms. The leading coefficient of p of x becomes the first entry of the third row. Then step number 2, place the value of r in the upper left corner. Step number 3, the first number in the second row is the product of r and the number in the third row of the preceding column. The second number in the third row is the sum of the two numbers. Step number 4, repeat the procedure described in step 3 until the last number in the third row is obtained. Then step number 5, write the quotient. Note that the degree of q of x is 1 less than the degree of p of x. The entries in the third row give the coefficient of q of x and the remainder r. Okay, for example, okay, we have 3x cubed positive 4x squared, then we have positive 8, then to be divided by x positive 2. Then arrange in the descending order. So we have the coefficient of the first term is 3 and the coefficient of the second term is 4. Then next is we have supposed to be the exponent is 1. So we have the coefficient is 0 and the last term is 8. Then positive 2 change to negative 2. Then bring down 3. Okay, so positive 3 multiply it by negative 2, the result is negative 6. Then add positive 4 plus negative 6, we have here negative 2. Then next multiply. Negative 2 times negative 2, the result is positive 4. Then add 0 plus 4, we have 4. Then after that, multiply. 4 times negative 2, the result is negative 8. Then add. So we have positive 8 plus negative 8, the result is 0. So the remainder is 0. Okay, number 2 example. Okay, first, you have to arrange in descending order. So we have x to the 4th power, then negative 5x cubed, then we have positive 8x squared, then we have negative 2. Then to be divided by x negative 3. Then use the synthetic division. Okay, we have negative 3, it becomes positive 3. Then the numerical of the first term is 1. The numerical coefficient of the second term is negative 5. Then we have the numerical of the third coefficient is 8. Then next we have here 0, then we have 2. Then simplify. Bring down positive 1. Then next, multiply. 1 times 3, so we have positive 3. Then add negative 5 plus positive 3, so we have negative 2. Then after that, multiply. Negative 2 times positive 3, so we have negative 6. Then add positive 8 plus negative 6. The result is positive 2. Then multiply. 2 times 3, so we have 6. Then add 0 plus 6, we have 6. Then multiply 6 times 3, so we have positive 18. Then add, so we have 2 plus 18, so we have 20. 20 is the remainder. For number 3 example, 6x to the 5th power, negative x to the 4th power, negative 32x cubed, negative 20x squared, positive 5x, then we have positive 8. Then divided by x negative 3/2. Okay, so use the synthetic division. So the divisor, we have negative 3/2 changed to positive 3/2. Then we have the numerical coefficient of the first term is 6. Then the numerical coefficient of the second term is negative 32. Then we have the third term is negative 20. And we have the fourth term is 5. And the last term is 8. Then simplify. Okay, bring down 6. Then next, multiply. 6 times 3, 18. 18 divided by 2, so we have 9. Then add negative 1 plus positive 9. The result is positive 8. Then okay, multiply. 8 times 3, 24. 24 divided by 2, so we have 12. Then add. So we have negative 32 and positive 12. Okay, we have negative 20. Then next, negative 20. Multiply it by 3, so we have negative 60. Negative 60 divided by 2, so we have negative 30. Then add. Okay, negative 20 plus negative 30, so we have negative 50. Then negative 50, multiply it by 3, so we have 150. Then negative 150 divided by 2, so we have negative 75. Then add. So we have positive 5, negative 75, so we have negative 70. Then multiply. Negative 70 times 3, so that is negative 210. Negative 210, divide it by 2, so the result is negative 105. Then add. So we have positive 8 and negative 105. The result is negative 97. So negative 97, this is now the remainder. Our activity for week 6 in Mach 10, finding the divisor, dividend, and quotient using synthetic division. Identify the divisor, dividend, and quotient in each item. Write your answer in a yellow pad paper.